This one is a 1976 Smith Corona Galaxie 12. The Galaxie 12 sticker is not on this one. The color is Alpine Blue, I believe. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This one has a little paper tray. These are the margins. Left margin is going to be right at the beginning, and the right margin right at the end. Once you hit the end of the margin, you're going to use this line space to get back to the beginning of the margin, and it'll skip 1, 2, or 3. This is how you go from 2 to 3. Right now we want it on 1. As you can see, all the keys type perfectly and none of them stick. Type a sentence in red. This one has a red and black ribbon, so switch that down to red. Type's very nice. This is a very popular model. It's a very nice daily typing machine. The print is really nice. I'm going to show you how to use the rest of the functions. Take the paper out easily. You flip that forward. It also allows you to load thicker paper like carbon copy paper. Got a backspace right here. That works good. It's got a power space on this model. This is pretty, to me, that's just a cool function. I don't know when I would ever use it. Margin release, so let's get to the end. That will actually get you past the margin if you want to use that. But normally when you're typing, you get to the margin and then you can't type anymore. So you hit the margin release and then you can get past the margin if you have to finish a word at the end of the paragraph or whatever. It's got a tab function right here on the top. So you set a tab right there. It'll stop at that tab. To clear, you hit that. This right here is the resistance control. I like it on low, so you don't have to hit the keys as hard. When you go to high, you just have to hit the keys harder to hit the paper. This is a spool cover. It's got the spools. All the ribbon is up here on the left. If you want to change the direction, there's a switch right here. Flip it back and it'll start pulling to the other direction, to this direction. So we want it to pull to the right because all the ribbon is on the left. So let's switch it back, and now that's how you can tell if it's going to that side. You can hear it clicking. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.